In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix an Etsy shop suspension using a simple and practical method. First, understand this. A suspended Etsy shop is often temporary and usually happens due to verification issues, payment problems, or policy checks, not always a permanent ban. Now, if you want to fix a suspended Etsy shop, here's what to do. Start by checking your email. Etsy always sends a suspension notice explaining the reason, so check your inbox, spam, and promotions folder carefully. Look for the exact cause of the suspension. Common reasons include identity verification issues, payment or billing problems, policy violations, security reviews, or an outstanding balance. Next, fix the issue based on the reason provided. If it's a verification issue, upload a valid government ID and make sure your name matches your account details exactly. If it's a payment problem, update your bank or card information and clear any pending fees. If it's a policy violation, remove any restricted or copyrighted items and correct your listings to follow Etsy guidelines. After completing the required steps, log back into your account and check if an appeal option is available. If you see the appeal option, submit a clear explanation of what happened, what you fixed, and confirm that you will follow Etsy policies going forward. Keep your message short, professional, and to the point. That's it. Fixing a suspended Etsy shop usually comes down to identifying the issue, resolving it quickly, and communicating clearly with Etsy support.